Hi guys, Elizabeth here. I want to do a quick recap. I have been doing a midnight declutter and it's like 3:40 in the morning, and so I'm not quite done, but I need to take a breather, so I thought I would record. At no point did I think I was going to take up this long working on decluttering, but I was watching Sophia from My Great Challenge do her garage for the third video in the row, and I'm thinking, gosh, if she can work on a garage, I can work upstairs. This is actually a bookcase on its side. It came from this spot in this closet. It had totally, all three shelves in the top were full. So I've been working on what to throw out, what to keep. These are photo books that were on there, but since I've, been able to get rid of some of the photos, and let's face it, I still have a lot more to go through besides all of it on digital, but I didn't make space for that. I officially am stopping collecting material for making doll clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4 copy paper boxes full of clothes that were going to go either thrown away because they had holes or stains, or to Goodwill, but I kept them because I thought they would make nice doll clothes. Well, I think that's enough boxes. I temporarily put my Kenmore sewing machine box up there. I have the sewing machine out. I have some sewing to do, and I do want to start making some doll clothes, but I have some actual regular sewing repairs. So that is the stuff that used to be there. Is now up there because I've been able to get rid of some stuff. All of this is actually donate. It is spread out all over everywhere. You've seen them from past donates, stuff that I never got to Goodwill, which are my albums that I used to do scrapbooking that I don't do any longer. You'll see stuff from my shoe declutter, stuff from my hair declutter, just different ornament declutters which you haven't seen, because I, just picked through here and there. Somehow that all has to fit in that box, but I need to take a break before I can get it figured out. This is all recycle. I'll probably keep these boxes. I'm going to do the basement next and keep a couple of them in case I need to gather like little toys together. That's a bag of trash. That's a bag of trash. This stuff I'm taking to the basement. I do keep a few cards, but most of it is for the kids. And this is the scrapbooking papers and stuff I used to have. It's like 12 by 12. Let's see if I can get out of my own light. Scrapbooking papers of all colors, all sorts. Origami. There's note cards. At one time I thought once I stopped scrapbooking I would make handmade cards. I'm not going to do that. I've kept a lot of, still in my own light, stickers and stuff that I thought the kids might like. I threw out a lot of half-done, that's like most of this bag, half-done stickers that they used a few out of and then never used the rest of the sticker pile and just would keep overlooking it, so that went kaput. So thanks for hanging in there with me. I'm going to close off. I'm sorry. It's not as interesting as when I go through it myself and tell you what's going on, but at no point did I think I'd be doing this for 3 or 4 hours. One thing just led to another. So here's the update. Hopefully I will be able to work on the basement next. Talk with you later.